Greetings fellow pagan pals, Bella Rosa here, and get ready to celebrate OSTARA because I am bringing you these adorable god and goddess figurines. They're a great addition to your OSTARA altar, symbolizing the male and female spirit, and their egg shape is ideal for the spring equinox, the time of renewal and rebirth. Cover your work surface with newspaper to protect it from paint. I have these wooden eggs that I picked up at AC Moore, but drawing directly on a curved surface is a bit of a challenge, so instead I did some sketches of the images that I wanted, and once I had something of the right shape and size, I grabbed a black pastel stick and filled them in. Then I cut the images out and pressed them onto the egg very carefully but firmly, and that gives me a general guideline to follow with paint or marker, but I'm busting out my wood burner because I want to add some texture to my eggs. Now you can keep the wood look and then just stain it to give it a rustic tribal feel, and maybe for a different project that would work for me, but I want color. It's the spring equinox, you know, life is sprouting up from the earth again, so I want to incorporate those colors. To prepare my eggs for paint, I temporarily attached a plastic fork with hot glue to the base to make it easier to handle, and I used a piece of styrofoam to use as a drying stand. I want to create a marble-like effect, so I'm using a plastic bag to achieve this. Now for the goddess, I used white, blue, and purple acrylic paints. The technique isn't really sophisticated, just drop small blobs of paint over the whole surface, starting with one color and then moving to the next, and then cover it with a plastic bag, press and squish it around, and then just remove it. Tweak any spots you might have missed with a few dabs of the plastic, and then go back in with a dry brush to remove the paint from the engraved images. For the god, I used white, green, and yellow, and I used a different plastic bag. If you don't have a plastic bag, you could use saran wrap, a shower cap, vegetable bags from the grocery store. Just be sure to use a plastic bag that is clear so you can see what you are doing. Once your egg dries, remove the stick with a simple twist to release the glue, and go back in with some acrylic paint and a small brush to fill in the images, using the raised edges as a guideline. Now, if you have the skill and steadiness to do this just by hand, go for it. I don't, and those raised edges help me to keep me from going all over the place. If you don't want texture to your eggs, just skip the wood burning and go straight to the image transfer after you've painted your eggs. Once the white paint dries, just finish it off with a layer of semi-gloss Mod Podge to add that finished shine look, and you're done. The marble effect came out pretty cool and with hardly any effort. I'm really surprised. Even though the process was messy with paint, I had fun. Plus now I have decorative eggs that I can display in my altar year after year. Be sure to subscribe now, become a pagan pal, like up this video, and I'll see you next time for another episode of My Pagan Pal Crafts and such. Bye!